Hi guys! In today's video I am sharing things that I always bring with me on the rainy wedding day. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Yana Shalman and I am a wedding photographer in New Jersey and Philadelphia area. And in today's video I am sharing my rainy wedding day essentials that I basically have in my car at all times. So it doesn't matter if it's rainy or not rainy, whatever the forecast says, I just have it in the trunk of my car. Because weather, even though they're forecasts, you can never predict what actually is going to happen. So those are the things that I'm having with me. Number one is an umbrella. One of my past brides they expected the wedding to be rainy and it was very rainy, and they bought a lot of white umbrellas. So at the end of the wedding day, she was like, "Oh Yana, if you want, just grab a few," and we're not how many umbrellas can you use? So I grabbed, I think two, because currently I don't know if I had one broken or no, I don't remember. Does not matter. Currently I still have those two white umbrellas in my trunk, one for myself and one for the couple. If for some reason my couple would not end up buying umbrellas for themselves, I always have an umbrella for them, and when those umbrellas come to the end of their lives, I'm just going to replace them and have another umbrella for them. Maybe next time. It actually doesn't, I don't know if it matters to have a clear umbrella or white. I think I would get clear because I think it might let a little bit more light through, but white is a perfect option as well. So I have an umbrella for myself and for my couple. I do not have umbrellas for the whole bridal party. I've heard some photographers say that they have the whole set for a bridal party. However, I cannot purchase, I don't know, 20 umbrellas, because bridal parties can vary greatly in the number of people. And what if you have a large bridal party? Sometimes it could be 10, 12 people on each side. So I would have to have 20, 24, up to 30 umbrellas possibly in my trunk, and the chances of me using them would be very small. So I don't bother having them because it is really rainy. I just email my couple and be like, "Hey guys, make sure that you have umbrellas for the bridal party," and that's basically what I do. But in case of unexpected rain and crazy weather happening for unexpected reasons, I always have an umbrella for myself and for my couple so that we can get some very beautiful outside photos for them. Number two is a white trash bag, or probably two trash bags that I have in my backpack. And I love having my couple sit down for a few photos because it gives very different variety in my posing. And if you're interested in posing, I have a few videos on that too, so I'm going to link them in the cards and in the description of this video. So yes, sitting down pictures are very fun and I love doing them. However, if it is raining, or if it was raining a day before, or if it was raining in the morning, everything is wet and you cannot sit down in a normal clothes, not even talking about bridal attire. So yes, I have white trash bags, and I just layer them on whatever surface I think they're going to sit, and then just let them sit. And white being because it matches with a wedding dress really well, and most of the times it's not very visible and very noticeable. So that's the item number two. Number three is a gallon size Ziploc bags, and those are used very rarely for me, but when I use them, they're very handy. If it is rainy in the evening for the nighttime photos, I grab a Ziploc bag and I cover my flash so that the flash unit will not get damaged by the water, and my assistant holds it. And then yes, the nighttime photos happen the way that my flash is protected by the Ziploc bag. And I have a cutout on the bottom of the Ziploc bag so that the flash can stick out of the Ziploc bag and the light can spread normally and not be distorted by the bag in any ways. But yes, 2 or 3 Ziploc bags just in case if we will end up having a nighttime photos during rain. Number 4 is my mascara. I do not bring it with me, obviously. I do my makeup in the morning, but rain or shine, I always wear this mascara. It's not waterproof, but it does not smudge if the water or sweat gets onto it. So basically, by the end of the wedding day, I don't want to have black under eyes for myself. So this mascara is perfect. So I like always, I wear it always, and I never get smudges under my eyes. So for the rainy wedding day, I see it's a larger problem for wedding photographers because you get wet and then you smush the camera against your face and then it's like black under eyes. So it's not pretty and not professional. I guess it is professional because that's part of the job, but it doesn't look very good by the end of the night. So my mascara is awesome. It's like a 3D, I think it's called 3D mascara. There are multiple companies that produce it. I'm going to link the one that I currently use and I love. I've tried a few different kinds, and the volume and I don't know, the texture of it, I prefer this one that I'm currently using. So it's like the gel, fibers, and then gel again, so it basically makes your eyelashes bigger and prettier. Not very appropriate for the guys maybe don't wear mascara on the wedding day, but yes, it's just very good for, I really like it. So I'm going to link it in the description of the video again if you're interested in checking it out. And item number 5, which a must-have for, yes, again, probably any kind of day, especially rainy wedding day, is my rubber boots. I always have my rubber boots in the trunk of my car because it had been, again, sunny wedding day, but if it was raining a day before, the dirt, the mud is all soft and soggy, and I have had multiple occasions when I would step into mud or water or something, and then my feet would be wet for the rest of the day. And first of all, your feet are suffering already, you're tired, you're achy, and like adding on another disgusting feeling of wetness, it's, yeah, not good. So what I have learned, if I suspect that I potentially could get into water, I just wear my rubber boots and I have a little flats in my backpack with the rest of the equipment to switch into during the reception or ceremony, depending on when I need to be more presentable looking and when I don't have to wear rubber boots. But yes, I always, obviously on the rainy wedding day, I would be wearing them straight on, and I would switch to the flats during the reception, obviously if the reception in the ballroom and not under the tent, because tents can get pretty muddy and pretty watery as well. So if that's the case, I will just keep wearing them. But do your judgment, have your judgment. And yes, it's just a thing to remember that I always have rubber boots in my backpack, and I love that. So those are the things that I always have with me on the wedding days, and those are the items that I definitely use on the wedding rainy days. I hope those were helpful to you. If you are a photographer and if you have used other items that potentially could be useful, would you please leave me a comment below and let me know about those items, because maybe I could use those too. And if you are just starting out your business, or if you're just interested in wedding photography, if you have any other questions, again, leave me a comment underneath this video or message me on social media, and I would love to answer your question or just hear from you. If you want to say just hello, I would love to do that too. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.